Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Yes. And you also enjoying your holidays, I think, is it? Very nice. But at the same time, we have to concentrate in our studies also. Very good. Yes. Here I am Mrs. Ashwata, your English teacher. Okay. And what do you think about English? Yes, it's a simple one. We can learn it easily and quickly. That's it. Yes, in English we are having three parts: prose, poem and supplementary reader. Prose, poem and supplementary reader. Here in this session we are going to see a prose. Okay. So our first unit, we are going to see our first unit. Okay. Before enter into that lesson, I just ask you a few questions. Okay. Do you all think about your future at any time? Have you ever think about that? Yes. Every one of us will be thinking about our future. Is it? So some of you will be thinking, I want to become a teacher, I want to become a police officer, I want to become an IAS officer, or I want to become a doctor, engineer, anything. Every one of us will be thinking about our future. So in future I will be like this. Is that? Yes. And just thinking alone is not enough. We have to know if you want to become a teacher or if you want to become a doctor. So what are the things I have to do? What are the things I should do to the public or the persons who is surrounding me? So like that we have to think. What are the helps can I do for them? Is it? How can be a good person in this world? Okay. So like that we will be thinking. Is it? Then only we can be a good person in this world. Is it? Yes. Very nice. So here also we are having a king. Okay. A king has three questions in his mind. Okay. So the king has three questions in his mind. And the king is thinking, if I know the answer for these three questions, I will be a good person in this world. So I won't get any problems. I will be a good king in this world, in this country. Like that he was thinking. Okay. So what are those three questions? Whether he got the answer for those three questions or not. How he got that answer, who helped him to get that answer. So all these things only we are going to see in our prose. Okay. Yes. So this is our textbook, Honeycomb. Okay. You just take our textbook and have a pencil also within your hand. Yes. Just see page number 7. Here you are having the lesson. Okay. And this is separated as two sections. Okay. It is separated as two sections. Yes. Three questions. So the title is Three Questions. What's the title? Three Questions. Who has these three questions in the mind? A king. Yes. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. So the king is thinking, if he know the three things, he never fail in his life. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something? What is the right time to begin something? Okay. What's the first question? What's the right time to begin something? If we are doing some work, means what we think? We will be waiting for the right time. When should I do this work? Which time will be perfect to do this work? So like that we will be thinking. Is it? So that is the first question. What is the right time to begin something? Second one. Which people should he listen to? Which people should he listen to? That means whom should I listen? Whom should I follow? So like that, the second question. Third one. What is the most important thing for him to do? What is the most important thing to him? Okay. So the first one is, what is the first one? Yes, very good. What is the right time to do things? Okay. Second one, which people could he listen? Which people could he listen? Third one, what's the most important thing for him to do? Which is the most important work? What is the important work for me? What work should I do? That is an important one. So like that he has 3 questions. Okay. Let's see how he get answer for these questions. Whom and all he just go and met. How he get the answer? Let's see. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So now the king has 3 questions in his mind. He said he should get answer for this. So what he do? So usually if it is a kingdom, the kings have some messengers. Okay, whatever message is given to that messenger, that will reach the people. If the king want to give any message to the people, he just send it to the through the messengers. Okay, so nowadays we are having mobile phone, and if we want to convey any message to anyone, we just call them and conveying them, or we just give ad in the TV or newspaper, like that we are giving. But in this period, when during the king's period, they used to give the message through the messengers. Okay, so what the king is doing, see, he sent messengers throughout the kingdom to tell this to the people. So they have to go and inform to the people. So the king need 3 answers for the questions. Okay, so those who are answering to the question, they will be rewarded with a good sum of money. Okay, so usually it happens in king's kingdom. Okay, so when the king or ruling, they used to say, if they need anything, they just announce, I need this thing. Those who know, do it perfectly will get some money or any gold, diamond, or like that, something will be given. Okay. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. So by hearing this, okay, by hearing this message, many wise people, what is wise people? Who is very intelligent, like you. Is it? Yes. So the many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Okay, so many wise men came to the kingdom, but they answered in different way. Okay, for one question, everyone's answer is different. Is it? Because everyone may think in their mind differently. We can't say everyone's mind is same. Everyone will think the same thing. Like that we can't say. Everyone will think in different way. Okay, so the answer also different. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. So the first question, what is the first question? What are the things and what is the right time to begin? What is the right time to begin something? Okay, what is the right time to begin something? Okay, I just write the question here. What is the right time to begin something? What is the right time to begin something? So for that, what some of the people are telling, the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Okay. So if we want to do something, for example, morning we are waking up and we are freshening up, fresh up ourselves, and then we are doing whatever work we are having for the day, we are doing that one by one. Okay, for that if we have a timetable, we will follow that. For example, you are coming to the school and you are following timetable. So this period you will read this subject, this period you will read this subject. So that time you are going on properly. Is it? So like that some of the wise men tell, and what is the right time to begin something, no? So for that they are telling, the king must prepare a timetable and should follow that strictly. Yes. Only in this way, they said. Could he do everything at its proper time? Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. If he follow this timetable, he can do all the things properly. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. So some of the people are telling the king must prepare a timetable and follow. Other people, the opposite side people are telling, how can he make an idea about the future? Okay, so the thing, whatever is coming at the time, he will do. How can he make it as a pre-plan? So like that some of the people are asking. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others, the right time for every action. So what the other people are saying? It's better the king make a council. Okay, what is a council? See your glossary. Council, a group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. Okay, a group of people who gives advice or giving rule to do something. Okay, so some of them are telling like that. You just make a council. So for this, some of the people are telling to make a timetable. Another are telling make a council. Okay, because when you're thinking alone, we won't get some proper idea. If we discuss with our friends, we will get a good idea. Is it just casual? Is it even if we have to do something, sometimes we will have some confused mind. Is it? So that time what we do? We just discuss with our friends. So they will give a solution. So that time we will be discuss with that other friends also, and they will give a solution for it. So like that they are telling. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things would not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. So what they are telling, it is not possible. Someone are telling to make a timetable, someone are telling to make a council, but some of the people are telling it is not possible. Sometimes something will be urgent, something will be an emergency work. So that time you can't make the council and you can't get the ideas from them. After that you can't implement that things. So it will be a problem for you. So when you want to take a quick decision, it will not be work out like that they are telling. So for that what they are telling, it's better you go to a magicians, because they only know what will happen in the future. So if you go to a magician, you will get one idea like that they are telling. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. So the second question, no. What is the second question? See that. Do you remember? Yes. What's the second question? Which people should I listen to? Which people should I? That is the king. Which people should the king listen to? So that is the question number 2. So for that, what they are telling in their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. So the most important person to the king is counselors. Others said the counselors, what is counselors? I told you, no, make a council. So the members of the council are called counselors. Yes. Others said the priests. Some of them are telling priests are the important person to you. So priest means, you know what is priest? Yes, good. A few others chose the doctors. So others are telling doctors. Yes, priest means, yes, the person who is doing some mantras. Is it? Yes. And the other one is saying doctors. So the person who is important to the king is doctors. First one is saying counselor. Second one is saying priest. Other group is saying doctors. And yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. And other people are telling your soldiers are your necessary person. Okay, see, for one question they are giving different kind of answers. One group is telling, yes, what they are telling, do you remember? Yes, one group is telling you are needing priest. Another group is telling counselors. Another group is telling doctors. Another group is telling soldiers. So like this they are giving different answers. Okay, what the king is going to do now? They are giving different answers. What will he do? Yes, let's wait and see what the king is going to do. Yes. Okay, let's go to the third one. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. So what is the third question? Do you remember? Yes. What are the most important things should I do? What is the most important thing that the king want to do? So for that they are answering to the, some said science. Science is the important thing to a king. Some of them are telling fighting. Another is telling religious worship. You should do some prayers. Okay. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. So these answers were different, no. So the king was not satisfied and he didn't give any reward to anyone. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit. So instead of this, he decided to meet a hermit. What is hermit? See your book, it is given. A person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Okay, hermit means the person who is alone and leading his life in a simple way. Who was widely known for his wisdom. So the hermit will know about his wisdom. Okay. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes before he reached the hermit's hut. The king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. So what happened? Now the king decided to meet a hermit. Okay, so I already told you, hermit means the person who is leading a simple life and they will be alone in the forest area. Okay, so now that hermit is a simple person now. So the king also decided, okay, we also should go in a simple dress. So king means what they do, they just have some jewels and their dressing will be very rich. is it? So here the king is thinking, okay, let me go in a simple dress to meet the hermit. Then only it will be a good meet between them. Like that the king was thinking. Okay, so now he is getting ready to meet the hermit. Okay, yes, you all understood? Yes, very good. So let's have a quick recap. Okay, so there is a king. He has 3 questions in his mind and he is seeking answer for those 3 questions. That time he is inviting wise people from the kingdom and they are giving different answers. So the king was not satisfied with the answers and he also not give any reward to them. So he decided to meet a hermit who is good and who is very intelligent. Okay, the king is thinking hermit will be a good intelligent person. So if we meet him, we will get good answer for that, like that he was decided. So he was getting ready to meet the hermit. Okay, yes. Okay children, thank you. I hope you are all understood. And let's see in our next session how the king met the hermit and whether he got answer for his question or not. These are the things we can see in our next session. You just go through the book and just learn something about this story. Tomorrow let's discuss the remaining things. Okay, thank you. Take care.